Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I want to discuss how fast funnels can help photographers. So with photographers, obviously it's very important that you have a really nice website. At the end of the day, you're selling art in most cases. Stunning photographs need to be displayed in a really nice way that says that you're a professional, says that you're very skilled at your job, and sells really what you can do for people, which is to create amazing moments. Take a photograph of them if you're in that industry, of course, like for weddings or portraits, or it could be landscape photography. Whatever business niche you're in with photography, having a great website theme or template is very, very important to show off your work. So Fast Funnels has a range of great designs here that will give you a beautiful website in just minutes that you can edit yourself. And let's, for example, just take this one here. You can go along and you can take a look at any of them by clicking view and then see what they look like in like desktop, mobile, or in a tablets there, and just have a little look around. Go and take a look at the website and see which design it is that you like. As you'll probably agree when you take a look through all of this, there really are stunning designs. Let's take this one here. Very, very simple for you to be able to edit. And our sites all have an inbuilt blog. They have e-commerce facility, so you can sell prints or you can sell your services. And then they've got a very search engine friendly design. You can have galleries of your photographs displayed in minutes on there. So it looks really, really nice, and it attracts free traffic to your website, and people can sign up for your email list. They can book with you. They can do all kinds of different things, everything that you as a photographer would need. So let's say, for example, I wanted to start with this one. All you do is just click Get Started. Let's just type in a name here and then put in a quick email and then a password. I'm not a robot. And then we just have to go through the security. So let's select some palm trees. I think that's a palm tree. Let's just do that. There we go. Click Get Started and we're off. Now we get access to that beautiful website. Let's name it. So Jason West Photography. Let's just pretend. Click Submit. I like the brand color of, let's say, this kind of blue right here. There we are. So that's my brand color. If I've got a logo, I can upload it straight away at this point. Just click Go to my site. And there it is, ready for me to now edit using our world-class page builder. So it's really, really simple and easy to do. So let's just say I want to change this here. Let's just say this is going to be Jason West. There we are. But maybe I don't like this particular font, although it does look pretty good. Maybe I don't like it. Well, I can change the font on this website across the board here. So you can see at the moment it's called Philosopher, this particular font. You've got Open Sans there that's used for all of the body content. If you want to go and change that and you want to use some fancy Google font, you can just click Add Fonts, and then go find whichever font you want. From Google Fonts, there's tons and tons and tons. And then you can change the entire website in one hit and just change over all of the fonts. So everything on the page is editable. You can edit this background image. Very simple to do that. There's the current background image, which blends in beautifully with the blue, of course, there. And then you can choose to have the parallax effect, where it looks really nice as you scroll over it. You could even have video backgrounds. Anything that you want, more or less, you can do with this page builder. As I say, it's world class. Now, the most important thing is to be able to display your fantastic photography to people. So how do we do that? You just click Add Widget, grab a gallery, and you see this blue line. This is where you can drop your gallery wherever you want to, like this. So let's just say we're going to drop it there. Then we've got to add in some images, of course. Now you've got a full image sort of center with Fast Funnels. You can add a folder if you want to keep things really organized. So let's just say portfolio will be the name of our image folder. There it is. And then we need to get our fantastic photos up there. Let's just go to our file, grab all the photos, And then if they're absolutely huge and super high res, what we're going to do is automatically compress them, but still keeping an amazing quality so that your website runs fast. And obviously that's really good for users, and search engines can't stand slow sites. So it's very important that we make sure your images look good, but they also load very fast. So the system's doing all of that for you right now, compressing them and keeping that image quality as high as possible. Now what we need to do is to just go and select these images and put them straight into our really nice gallery that we're preparing. So I'm going to select all of these and just do that. And there we are. You can see how quickly that was to put these in. Now, right now, you can only see 2 of the pictures and people are able to scroll through left and right. But we have lots of options with this. If we go to edit settings, we can choose to have them in a grid like this. If you want all your photos displayed like that, you can separate the images out like this. So if you want to split them out, which looks really nice, you can choose the aspect ratio. I mean, this really is like a lot of options here. You've got a lot of options. How many images you would like per row. If you want 3, 4, 5, really quick and really quick. So images should fill their container. That's one option. Or you can also choose not to crop them so that they're exactly the size that they are. So you can see like that there. And then also if you want to open up the images in a light box when they're clicked, that's always a nice option. So I'm just going to, for the moment, select 16:9 wide, and I'm going to tick that one there. And then let's just go and take a look at how that looks live online. We just click our little eye here, and then up it comes. And then you've got the images loading up like that. And you can see they are crystal clear, fantastic photographs. Beautiful, really nice to show off your work. Dead simple. Now, if I cross this off, we've got other options we can do as well. So you can animate this section when it's loaded up. So we can see what that looks like this as people scroll down. Or we can do a sort of fade in like this from the left. All these different options that make the site look really nice. That's a bit crazy. I don't think we would probably want that. So let's just go for a fade in, which just looks nice. And you can control the speed of the fade in, which is mad. So there we are. That's how we can do a gallery. And then now we're on the site, people are scrolling down and then they're presented with your beautiful work. And then they can open them up like this. Now you've also got the ability with FastFunnels to create a full e-commerce store. Like I say, if we go to store up here, we're in the builder, we can just go to add products and then start adding a product in. So what is it? If it's a digital product, we're going to give them the ability to download it. If it's a physical product, we can set shipping rules and we can send that product off and charge them tax, shipping, all of the usual stuff with a proper e-commerce store. Or if it's a service that you're selling, perhaps you're doing a wedding and you want to, they want to book a photographer, then you can charge them for that online through your website. And then the membership area there, if you wanted to charge anyone for a training course or something, you can do that as well. But what's really good about the membership is that you can set it up so that you can hide certain photographs that you don't want available to the public behind closed doors and then just give someone a username and password to access them. So very good feature. But let's go for a digital product that we're selling here, and let's just put that, photo print. You can add a full description of your product there using the same page builder here. So if you want, another image in there, you want to put in some more text, whatever you want to do there. And then if you want to, you can then send a link to that particular image. Let's say this one here. This is an image that they're going to purchase. This is the product. We're going to say that we want this priced at, say, $100. And then that is it. We're going to choose a category that it would go in. If we don't have any, we're going to put, say, landscapes. And the category URL of landscapes. Confirm. And then click save. And that there now is a product that is able to be sold. And what we should probably do is just put the picture of it just there as well. So let's say this one here. There we go. And scroll down and click save. So this is the product that you can now place anywhere on your website for sale. So you can create a full store if you wanted to up here and then add that product in. or you could add it on anywhere on the website that you want to at all using our widget. So here, for example, you've got store, and then we can drag that over to somewhere. Let's just say we want to put it there like that. And then we get to choose the products that we want. So I'm just going to say I want one, and I'm going to put add store product. Let's stay and save. Let's just save everything there. There we are. And there it is. There is that product. We can choose the layout of the product. All the different methods like this. You can see that they're just changing there. Very, very simple. And then the other thing that we can do is edit the settings here. And we can show the add to cart button right there. And now that product can be added to any page on your entire website, just as simple as that. And then if we go and take a look at our website right now, there it is just down here. And then we can have a quick view of it. We can take a look at it. And if we're happy with it, add it to cart, check out, and then just purchase that product through our secure checkout system. And then people can pay by PayPal or Stripe, whichever payment provider that you want. And then the other thing I said that we have is a blog, because what we want to do is to try and get you as much free traffic as possible. We want you to be able to connect with your audience. So if we go to the site again and take a look at the blog, what that looks like, let's just look at a blog post here. It's just an example blog post. You can have an image at the top, a video. You can make these blog posts exactly the way that you want to. It's a very, very search engine friendly platform. And you've got categories down the right hand side, and you've got tags just down here as well, just like you would with WordPress. But what you don't want with WordPress is basically to have to update plugins and to have different things like that. You have to constantly update WordPress. It's an amazing platform, but it constantly needs updating. So you don't have any of these troubles here with Fast Funnels. People can add comments underneath your blog just the same, and it's really, really simple system. So how do you add to your blog? Just go to your pages, click on blog, and here's your blogging system right here. You can add a new post, put the title in, all of the usual page builder goodies. So you can add in pictures in the middle of your blog post, media, separators, everything. Everything you see right here can go in, even products. If you want to write a particular blog post on one of your products, but then you want to drop in your product right in the middle of your post, you can do that. And then you can add in pictures at the top, a video, quotes, anything. It's a brilliant, brilliant, powerful system for photographers to make a beautiful website that you can be proud of. Now, the website is one thing. The other ace up our sleeve with Fast Funnels for you as a photographer is our funnels. So what about if you want to get fresh leads from a Facebook ad? You wouldn't really want to be sending people straight to this page here, your website, from an advertisement. If you're using any kind of ads, you need to get someone to take a specific course of action, and you don't want them to just wander around your website and then hope that they press this contact link up here and get in touch with you. So we need to start building you leads and getting you bookings if you're an active photographer who charges for your time. So how do we do that? Well, we create what is called a funnel, and that is of course what we're best at because we are Fast Funnels. So how do you do it? You click create a funnel and you cheat. You use one of our many, many templates here and you find one that's ideal for you and then just adjust it slightly. So you've got webinars, you've got lead magnets here. So these are all very, very good. Maybe if you're trying to get, say, a wedding photography client, then maybe you'd want to use one of these and say, you know, have a lead magnet of my top 10 tips to get the most out of your wedding photographs. So obviously anyone who's getting married, and you can target these people, by the way, on Facebook, is going to be very interested to know, you know, what they shouldn't be missing out on from their wedding photographer, or what they need to do to get the very best out of those photographs for their special day. Well, you can just use this. You can take a look at any one of these lead magnets here and just see which one you think you'd be able to just switch around a little bit to make right for you. And then when you're ready, click add funnel, name it. So let's just say wedding lead magnet. Click save, and there it is now, ready for you to start editing as well. So let's just change this now. my top 10 must know tips to get the best wedding photos. And then you can put some other stuff under there. This form here, dead simple, beautiful. You can edit the fields here. So maybe you do want a phone number, so you can contact the person who's filled it out and just say, hey, I saw you were interested in, wedding photography, and that you were probably getting married. Would you like me to come out and, give you a price for your special day? Whatever it is. I'm not a photographer. I love photography. I take photos with my phone, which of course is getting better and better, but I am certainly not a pro. But I do know about lead magnets and know about websites, and I know how you guys need to generate new business. So this is how you do it. It's as simple as that. You can make this form here go straight through to your email address, and then as soon as anybody fills it out, they'll get it. But this is a funnel. So what's going to happen here is they're going to fill out their details and go through to page 2 of your funnel, which is a thank you page. So we'll save this page and let's go look at the second page of this funnel, which will be this one. So once they fill this out, you'd probably have the download here and a video there just thanking them for entering their information. They can download their free guide on getting the most out of their wedding photos, and then you can give yourself a pitch right here. Give yourself a pitch and say, hey, if you do want to get a quote, then get in touch with me, and then I'll be able to do the photos for your fantastic day. So this is a funnel, and it's all inbuilt in the same system. And the best thing is when you've got this right, just move this into the same project as your website, and now these two work together. So this funnel here is going to use all the same colors that you have on your main website. And we can hide our header and footer, no problem, just by clicking show hide here. And then we can do the same with the footer here as well. We can show and hide the footer of the main website. And then if we go to here, you'll see that's changed now to a funnel, and it is right there with your website. So there's your website, there's your funnel. And if you add a domain name, so if we go to settings and domains, you can now connect an existing domain name to your website and your funnel. So your funnel might be, jasonwestphotography.com/help or whatever you want to do, or lead magnet. And then your main website will be on jasonwestphotography.com. So as an example there. So everything is all under one roof. You've got the best of both worlds here. You've got a great looking website that you can edit without the need for a web designer. If you want to edit any particular page, you can just literally type it in. About me. You can change all of the text. Very, very simple. Move things around if you don't like that. It's too big. Shrink it down. Pull it back out. You can see how simple and easy it is. You want to add in a new block. We've got tons of templates for you. Calls to action, like this one right here. Quick and easy. Very, very simple to edit. Whoops, there you go. So for photographers, this is going to be a complete godsend. You can store loads of photos. If we go to our pricing model here, for a start, what I would encourage you to do is to get a free trial of this system and try it out for yourself so that you know what I'm talking about. You can get a free 14-day trial underneath this video. And if you're on Facebook, probably above this video. And then pricing wise, once you get going, well, you get a website and 5 funnels to drive new business into your photography business. You get 6 custom domains if you did want to have a domain name separate for each, but you're probably going to want them all under your main website. Unlimited pages, up to 10 gigabytes of storage, 50 gig of bandwidth. You can have 2 people administer your website and up to 100 products to sell on your site. And then you're going to get analytics, tracking, A/B split testing, and no transaction fees or anything silly like that. And that's if you pay it by yearly, or if you want more websites, more domains, and more storage, like 100 gig, it's just $59 a month. So really, really inexpensive way to get yourself online, marketing your photography services and your products and services to people online. Really, really quick, really, really easy. So there you go. If you've got any questions, just drop me a comment underneath. But hopefully that has shown you a little bit how powerful FastFunnels is specifically for photographers looking for an easy way to get online. Thanks for watching.